Okay, that's pretty much it.
My gosh.
Last shot.
I do think
Thoughts
that's
on
it.
Last shots.
It feels great. I look exhausted, I feel exhausted, but I'm also elated that we're done.
It's over.
I feel like
I
I'm on
can't,
vacation.
I can't wait to do the next one.
Oh my gosh. It's incredibly hard to be focused on what you're doing and talk about it and pay attention to make sure that you're not making a mistake. So when I was not making a mistake, but yeah, when I was laying out the post in the layout workshop, I almost immediately laid it out incorrectly. I laid out two things on the wrong location. It's hard to keep it all together. I just realized that I made a mistake. This brace bucket is in the wrong location too.
I found myself, like in the drafting lecture, reorganizing how I presented it so that it made sense to a viewer as opposed to a person right in front of me. And that was not, I wasn't expecting, I wasn't anticipating that. And so I definitely had to pause and work my way through the information to be sure I covered everything and that it was in an order that made sense. It is very different.
We did have to explain things and speak in a different way, viewing it from the point of view of a viewer watching a screen, as opposed to teaching it to somebody who's doing it in front of you. It's a different language, and learning that language is what we had to do this week. The idea and the concept and what it will do for our students, I think, is absolutely wonderful.
So at this point, the content has all been captured. It's up to the editors to make it look good. Check out the link below to find out when it's actually coming out.
Please.